Here we are communicating a ABB PLC to PC. This is a ABB PLC PM564. This consists of 6 DI, 6 DO, 2 AI, and 1 AO. It consists of an serial port, also an Ethernet port. A LAN cable is already connected to the PC. To communicate this PLC to your PC, first open Automation Builder software. There you can see Automation Builder software. Here we have already created one project name as test, and given the PLC name as PM564 ETH. Okay. Then go to tools, go to IP configuration, and try to scan. It will show you the default IP address of the PLC. This is 192.168.0.10. If you want to change this address, here you can type the new address and send the settings to the PLC. After a power recycle, this address will be saved in the PLC. Right now we don't want to do that. Just go to your network settings of your PC, go to change adapter settings, go to local area network, go to properties, then go to internet protocol version 4 properties. Here you can see the IP address of our PC. It is in the same range of the PLC. Subnet mask will be like this. Press OK and close this. Okay, now go to online and press login. As soon as you press login, it will try to open the Codesys platform. Here you can see the Codesys platform. As we've already written one small PLC program. Okay, then go to online, press login, then press run. There you can see the PLC is in run mode. Okay, PLC now move to run mode. This is a very simple logic. There you can see a start push button, I run. These are all boolean values, and this is a simple serial logic, 2 numbers of timer. Okay, for that we have already created one visualization page, this fluid filling station. There you can see now everything is in inactive state. The moment I will press this start push button, this run lamp activated, motor lamp also activated. This motor is motor in ladder logic. It is directly configured to the, here you can see the showing the address of the PLC. There you can see the first DO of the PLC is glowing. Okay, so in the visualization project, here you can see if I am releasing the start button, here you can see the start push button got released, but this timer is not activated. For that we have to press the sensor. Now the motor will start to on and off. There you can see. So this is a very simple ladder logic and a visualization project. In later videos we will discuss more about these things. Hope you will understand how to communicate ABB PLC to your PC. Okay.